Get 20% off now. Hurry, this offer won't last.
There is only one product that can fight them all.
Particle face cream.
Particle for Men.
Particle face cream.
Particle for Men face cream. It fights eye bags, dark spots, and wrinkles.
It's only one product that does all my daily needs.
It helps take care of my eye bags, dark spots, and wrinkles.
It moisturizes and it also nourishes.
This is a 6-in-1 formula designed specifically for men.
Super easy to apply. A little bit on the fingertip, 1 minute in the morning, 1 minute at night, that's all it takes.
Best part is it's super inexpensive. Everything is in this one bottle. Pretty much perfect.